Excellency Governor Sindh, Mr. Kamran Khan Tasuri, Excellency, our host, Mr. Yang Yongdong, Consul General of China, members from the diplomatic corps, my colleagues from the cabinet, members of the National Assembly, members of the Senate, members of the Provincial Assembly, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, Ni hao, and Wan Sheng hao. It is my great honor and privilege to address this gathering on the auspicious occasion of the 75th National Day of People's Republic of China. On behalf of the people of Sindh, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the Chinese government and its people on this momentous milestone. China's remarkable journey over the past 75 years under the wise and visionary leadership of its government is a source of inspiration for many across the globe. The rapid economic growth, the technological advancements, and the societal progress that China has achieved in such a short period are nothing short of extraordinary. The historic and diplomatic relations between Pakistan and China have been strong since the era of Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Shahid Bhutto's relationship with Chairman Mao Zedong was crucial in laying the foundation for Pakistan-China partnership. His foreign policy approach helped solidify Pakistan's alliance with China during the Cold War era, which has continued to grow in strength over decades. The relationship between Pakistan and China has been established by trust, interwoven with friendship, and cemented with confidence and pride. And the bond between our people and civilizations is even deeper. From the arrival of the great Buddhist monks in the early 4th century to the traders walking along the historic Silk Route, our relationship has only strengthened. Since 1950, 5 generations of Chinese and Pakistani leadership have initiated, cultivated, and fostered a relationship that has sustained all rigors of time. Today, we proudly say that People's Republic of China is Pakistan's all-weather friends. We are iron brothers. This expression is not merely a poetic one, but one proven by history and witnessed by the world. The charismatic leadership of Chairman Mao Zedong, Premier Zhou Enlai, and Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto lent new heights to this relationship. Prime Minister Bhutto elucidated his thoughts when he said, and I quote from 1967, one of his speeches in 1967, Chairman Bhutto said, "If we look around us, the only great power whose objective interests coincide with Pakistan's and the only country capable of assisting Pakistan is the People's Republic of China." Prime Minister Shahid Benazir Bhutto and President Asif Ali Zardari developed these close ties with the leadership of Communist Party of China. The new generation under Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari continues to consider China as a dependable brother and friend. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan People's Party believes that CPEC can act as a force multiplier for Pakistan. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has played a significant role in the development of coal power projects in Sindh province, Pakistan. Under the CPEC initiatives, several coal-fired power projects have been established to address Pakistan's chronic energy shortages and boost economic growth. These projects are largely based on utilizing the vast coal reserves in the Thar Desert in Sindh, which are estimated to be one of the largest untapped coal reserves in the world. The Thar coal field, a central focus of CPEC's energy investments, has seen the development of multiple power plants using local lignite coal. The 660 megawatt Ingro powered, the 330 megawatts Thal Energy Limited 330 megawatt Thal Nova in Thar Coal Block 2, and the 1,320 megawatts in Third Coal Block 1, 2 coal mines of 7.6 million tons per annum and 7.8 million tons per annum are notable examples. 1320 megawatt Port Qasim coal power plant is another key project under CPEC. This plant runs on imported coal but has played a crucial role in stabilizing Pakistan's power grid. These projects mark Pakistan's transition towards domestic coal utilization, reducing reliance on imported energy sources. These CPEC-backed coal power plants in Sindh have provided a major boost to Pakistan's energy sector, helping mitigate electricity shortages and reduce load shedding. Additionally, they have created local jobs and improved infrastructure, particularly in the Thar region. In addition to coal, CPEC wind projects, Hydro China Dawood 50 megawatts, the UEP 100 megawatt, Sachal 50 megawatt, China 3 Gorges 100 megawatts, all wind powers have achieved commercial operations. There is a huge potential to develop wind energy, and we have received tremendous response as a direct result of our favorable policies. Ladies and gentlemen, China has always stood by Pakistan, and particularly Sindh, in times of need, offering invaluable support. From our collaborative efforts in infrastructure development to energy sector, our relationship has continued to flourish. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has played a pivotal role in strengthening these ties, and Sindh has been at the forefront of this partnership. As we look ahead, the scope of our cooperation remains vast. Our pragmatic collaboration in various sectors such as infrastructure, agriculture, technology, and education is a testament to our shared vision for progress. China's expertise, combined with Sindh's resources, can create new opportunities for development, fostering a brighter future for our people. In the coming years, we will continue to work together to develop projects that promote sustainable growth, particularly in the areas such as renewable energy, digital connectivity, and industrialization. By focusing on innovation and forward-thinking solutions, we can ensure that our cooperation benefits both Sindh and China for generations to come. The strategic relationship between Pakistan and China, marked by resilience, comprehensive scope, continues to grow stronger with each passing day. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's recent trip to China has injected fresh energy into this bond with the signing of several key memoranda of understanding. These agreements are set to further strengthen our bilateral ties, especially as we look ahead to the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit, which Pakistan is honored to host in Islamabad this October. Pakistan attaches great importance to the SCO and eagerly looks forward to welcoming the Chinese Premier Li Keqiang during his momentous event. His visit will be particularly significant as it will be his first to Pakistan in 11 years, reaffirming the steadfast nature of our all-weather strategic partnership. His participation in the SCO will also provide an opportunity for high-level bilateral talks aimed at further deepening the engagement between our two nations. Ladies and gentlemen, in addition to this, we are looking forward to the visit of Honorable President of Pakistan, Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, to China in November. This visit will not only reinforce our collaborative efforts under the CPEC, but also expand our cooperation in new areas. These high-level exchanges reflect Pakistan's unwavering commitment to CPEC and a long-standing partnership with China, opening new doors for regional stability and shared prosperity. In closing, as we celebrate this historic occasion, let us reaffirm our commitment to this enduring partnership. Together, we can overcome the challenges of today and seize the opportunities of tomorrow. With unity, trust, and shared vision, Pakistan and China will continue to prosper and progress. Thank you. Long live Pakistan-China friendship. Pakistan Zindabad.